She was alone,
She was in a new country.
and she was very sick.
Today, Maya has a problem.
She wakes up and she feels terrible.
Her head hurts. Her throat hurts. She has a fever.
But she needs help. In English.
In this story, you will hear real English at the hospital.
You will learn words for appointments, doctors, and medicine.
Listen carefully, speak slowly, and follow along with Maya.
Let's begin.
Maya wakes up at 7 in the morning.
She does not feel well. Her body is very tired.
She drinks water, but she still feels sick.
She decides to call the hospital.
Maya picks up her phone. She calls the doctor's office.
A woman answers.
Good morning, how can I help you?
Hello. I am not feeling well. I need to see a doctor.
Of course, is this your first visit?
Yes. My name is Maya. Maya Chen.
Thank you, Maya. Do you have health insurance?
Yes. I have a card from my company.
Good. We have an appointment available at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock is perfect. Thank you very much.
Please arrive 5 minutes early. See you soon.
The call ends. Maya feels a little better.
She has an appointment. Now she needs to go to the hospital.
Maya arrives at the hospital at 9:55.
She walks to the reception desk. A friendly man is sitting there.
Hello. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Of course. What's your name, please?
My name is Maya Chen.
Thank you. Can I see your insurance card?
Yes. Here it is.
Perfect. Please fill out this form.
Maya takes the form. She writes her name, age, and symptoms.
She writes, headache, sore throat, fever.
She gives the form back.
Thank you, Maya. Please sit in the waiting room. The nurse will call you soon.
Maya sits down. She waits. Let's stop here for a moment.
We heard some important words. Let's practice them now.
Appointment.
Appointment. Appointment. An appointment is a time you plan to meet a doctor.
Appointment.
Insurance.
Insurance. Insurance. Insurance helps you pay for medical costs.
Insurance.
Symptoms.
Symptoms. Symptoms. Symptoms are the signs of your illness. Maya's symptoms are headache, sore throat, and fever.
Symptoms.
Waiting room.
Waiting room. Waiting room. The waiting room is where you sit before you see the doctor.
Waiting room.
Good. Now let's continue.
A few minutes later, a nurse comes out.
Maya Chen, please come with me.
Maya follows the nurse. The nurse is kind. She smiles.
How are you feeling today, Maya?
Not very well. My throat hurts. My head hurts too.
I understand. Let me check your temperature first.
The nurse checks Maya's temperature.
You have a fever, 38.5 degrees.
Oh, is that bad?
It is not very high. But the doctor will check. Let me also check your blood pressure.
Your blood pressure is normal. Good. The doctor will see you now.
The doctor enters the room. He is calm and friendly.
Hello, Maya. I'm Dr. Park. What brings you in today?
I have a headache and a sore throat. I also have a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday morning. About 1.5 days.
I see. Let me take a look.
The doctor checks Maya's throat.
Your throat is a little red. I think you have a mild infection.
Is it serious?
No, it is not serious. I will write you a prescription.
What does that mean?
A prescription is a paper that tells the pharmacy what medicine to give you. Take this medicine twice a day with food. Drink a lot of water and rest.
Thank you, Dr. Park.
You will feel better in 2 or 3 days. Get well soon, Maya.
Maya goes to the pharmacy. It is just downstairs.
She gives the prescription to the pharmacist.
Hello. I have a prescription from Dr. Park.
Of course. Give me a few minutes.
A few minutes later, the pharmacist returns with a small box of tablets.
Here you are. Take 1 tablet twice a day, morning and night. Always take it with food.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy. That is normal.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Get well soon.
Maya walks outside. The sun feels warm.
She sits on a bench and calls Alex.
Hey, Alex. I just came out of the hospital.
How are you? Are you okay?
Yes. The doctor said it is a mild infection. I have medicine now.
I'm glad. You were brave to go alone.
It was not easy, but I did it.
That's amazing, Maya. You spoke English all day, and everything was okay.
Yes, I was nervous, but the words helped me.
You did great. Now go home and rest.
I will. Thank you, Alex.
Now it's your turn.
We will say some sentences from today's story.
Listen. Then repeat. Say it out loud.
Are you ready? Let's begin. I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Do you have health insurance?
Do you have health insurance?
Please fill out this form.
Please fill out this form.
How long have you had these symptoms?
How long have you had these symptoms?
Take 1 tablet twice a day with food.
Take 1 tablet twice a day with food.
You don't need perfect English. You need brave English.
You don't need perfect English. You need brave English.
Well done. You did great today.
That is the end of today's story.
We hope Maya's story helped you learn new words.
Now tell us in the comments,
Have you ever spoken English at a hospital or doctor's office?
what was it like? Was it easy or difficult?
Share your story. We want to hear it.
And if this story helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English.
I'm Mia.
I'm Alex.
See you next time.